tuyuka, tuyuka, tuyuka,
Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Heard a lot about you. You speak more languages than I've heard. Before I sign this proclamation, I want to read the top paragraph. It says, today, I'm proud to become the first sitting American president to visit the Amazon to proclaim the first International Conservation Day, reflecting all that it takes as a stake in the fight against climate change and honoring the power and promise of conservation work. On International Conservation Day, we recommit to working with partners across our nation and around the world to safeguard our natural resources. I'm now going to sign it. Today's date is the 17th.
Thank you, Trav. Thank you.